Alright, here we are on Neighbors. Dominion. Running the Yugumo? We've got two Missouris on our team. They have an Iowa and Missouri. A lot of battleships, 2 destroyers each. There we've got a Buffalo and a Neptune and an Atlanta. Hi, sweetie. You gonna watch my game? Right.
General quarters.
Engine boost.
Nope, that
activated.
doesn't work, sweetie. Nope, the end doesn't work, sweetie. Oh, yeah. I got my daughter on my lap. She likes pushing the whistle when I'm playing. Have no idea if the other team can hear that or not. So I'm heading to A. I'm figuring based on the way we are set up that most of the team is going to head BC. Figure if I run to A, I could probably capture it pretty quickly and then bail out if the other team is heading that way.
Daddy, what's the B?
You see
Let's
the
give them
B?
a hard time.
Yeah,
You're on the B right now.
I am. What's that letter over there?
C.
That's right. Where are we headed?
A.
That's right. So I noticed New Orleans is coming with me. Happy about that. Yep, there's B. Very good. And RDF is still. Yeah.
Daddy,
Oh,
and
boom. So I'm. Yeah, sweetie. Oh, you want me to turn it so you can see the C?
C.
There you go.
When do we see the A?
Right there.
A.
You're killing me. So at this point, I'm pretty confident that they are going C.
C.
There may be some more over in this direction, just out of the range, but odds are there's going to be a destroyer right on the edge of B, right here, or a cruiser. Maybe
Roger.
take B. But RDF still shows that way. So I'm figured, I got A, free and clear. And now it looks like the Missouri, the Hood,
Engine boost
2 Missouris, the
deactivated.
Hood, Bismarck, New Orleans, all coming to help me out.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
So at this point, I'm like, no one's on this side. I'm just going to park here and start heading back. And then the Lion pops up, and then the Hipper. I went, well, I got enough backup. Let's just see if I can get everyone to shoot the Hipper and get rid of him before I capture A.
I'd like to get off.
You want to get off?
All stations
Okay.
requesting fire on the designated target.
But then, like a dummy, after I tell them to concentrate fire on the Hipper, I go behind an island, and they can't see it anymore. And it looks like the Iowa's coming with him to take on 5 battleships and a cruiser. Seems like a smart move to me. Got my capture. 3 spots. Swing out past this island, see if I can see the Hipper again. There he is. I'm like, shoot him! He's running. But the Iowa's heading in. Figure the Iowa is going to turn out. Hipper's running. You got all these battleships freaking coming up behind him. I'm assuming he can see some of them. Figured he was going to turn out, but it doesn't show it on the replay. But I'm actually hooked on the Iowa right now. Launch some torpedoes his way. And see if he turns. Not turning. Showing his broadside. 4 battleships and a cruiser. And
Get back!
booyah.
Enemy battleship foundered.
Put on my Minnie Mouse dress.
Take off his shirt. My daughter's sitting here with me. She wants me to put on her Minnie Mouse dress. She likes playing Minnie Mouse.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
There you go. Alright. Sweet. Alright, at this point, the Hipper is bugging out. When you got that coming up your rear, it's time to get the heck out of Dodge. So, decisions. Do I chase the Hipper? Or do I go for B? Well, chasing the Hipper would be not that smart. So, I'm going to start heading towards B, considering their other team is all gobbled up into C. Chasing down our
Engine
2
boost
cruisers and a
activated.
battleship over there. Figure I'd make a run for B. Figure I got time, right? Like Mr. Fantastic and The Incredibles. I got time. Plenty of time.
Capture that area. Affirmative.
What's really killing me is the fact that those guys haven't killed that guy yet. Seriously. You guys can't kill that guy. Oh well. All his salvos are bad misses. I'm not sure if they're talking about the Hipper or if they're talking about themselves. I have no idea. So we're down 1 battleship to our 2 cruisers and destroyer. We lost pretty quickly, pretty early. Looks like I gotta still have the gaggle of BBs behind me. Finally, the Hipper is going to go down. I figure, stay out of B. Don't let them know I'm here. See if I can't pick off
Engine
one of
boost
these battleships coming up through and around this island. I'm like, oh wow, they're just sitting there waiting for someone to send torpedoes out. I need to get a little bit closer. I'm using the fast torpedoes. What are they? The F3s. So my range is short, but they're super fast. So I gotta get a little bit closer. And then I spot the Atlanta. But he hasn't spotted me. I got the Missouri within range. Let's fire off a couple. Before the Atlanta sees me.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
I'm RDF'd. Now I'm radared.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Oh, oh, oh! Boom!
Enemy battleship destroyed.
Goodbye. So it looks like I got the Missouri. And here's... I did something dumb. Figured take a
Smoke
couple shots at the
generator started.
Atlanta, run in some smoke, and then he pops radar on me. Luckily his radar doesn't last very long. And then
Smoke screen set.
I realize I'm running right at this battleship. Let's not hit each other here. So close. Oh. Alright. Alright, you guys keep shooting at the battleship. I'm going to head over here and see if I can head off that Bismarck.
Attention.
But this Bismarck is doing some work. Do I line him up with torpedoes? Detected. Buffalo started shooting. No one's shooting at me yet. Nah. Take a couple pot shots. Try to shoot him. Figure if he's smart, he's going to try to turn around that island to get out of the way of this Bismarck. He's almost dead. He's going to burn up. Bismarck takes his butt out before my torpedoes get there. So, 2 kills, 9 torpedo hits, 4 detects, 1 capture. 9 floodings, not bad. Devastating strike. Time to head in.
Torpedoes to port.
Help these guys out. Ah, another Yugumo. I'm detected. It doesn't look like the guys to the south can shoot at me. Buffalo's not in the greatest position. So see if I can get some shots on him before he gets behind the island. Detected by that Neptune, probably.
All stations, concentrate fire on the target.
So now it's me and the Missouri, who's on fire.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Something weird going on with the replay. So I'm thinking, Buffalo's going to head over this way. Nope, turns out. Agasuki's heading over to B. There's Buffalo. I'm detected. That darn Yugumo. Figure he's either going to turn out or turn in. Cover my bases.
Problem solved, sir.
And boom.
Enemy destroyer blown up.
Still radared though, so poor Buffalo can't do anything about it. Missouri takes a torpedo. That DD was probably torpedoing the... Not an easy to torpedo DD at distance well done. I assume he's talking to me, considering I just torped that DD. Thank you, sir.
The Red Sea.
Yeah, there's the Red Sea.
And where's the red bead?
So, I'm trying to line this buffalo up.
Where's the
But-
red bead?
Wait, please. Wait, please. Yes or no? Okay. But I don't want to shoot and then have Missouri drive in front of my torpedoes, so I'm trying to tell him, turn out, turn out, turn out. In the meantime, here comes Buffalo. I'm trying to get out of the way to get a torpedo at him. Too late. Damn it. And Atsuki,
That one
Atsuki,
didn't win.
my teammate's trying to warn me there's a DD. I'm like, roger that. He's right over there. He's probably either going to turn there or he's going to turn early. Send some torpedoes that way.
Not the way for the line to go. Is it working?
I'm not sure why he's not shooting at me.
Daddy,
I think he's trying to line Missouri up for torpedoes. Look, Leia, you need to be patient. Nope, you need to be patient.
Torpedoes to starboard.
So I am just shooting at him, and he is not looking at me. By the time he
We've
finally
sunk
gets
an enemy
his guns
destroyer.
over to me, it's too late.
Torpedoes to starboard.
I just noticed that the Buffalo's guns weren't even pointing in this direction. I could have went starboard or right and shot torpedoes that way, but I figured Missouri against the Buffalo, no problema until I get around the corner and see that she is burning. So what I should have done was just freaking stop. Too late, too fast. So let's send some torpedoes behind him since he's backing up. Let's send some torpedoes in front of him. Take a couple pot shots, smoke up, and run.
Smoke generator started.
And I'm in trouble.
I don't want him to win.
And he radars me.
I don't want that ship to win. Daddy, I don't want
I don't want that ship to win either. Game over.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
Good game.